Hi everyone, this is Momina. My topic is food packaging. Coming to the introduction, packaging is to preserve the food against spoilage, contamination, and extend the shelf life. It provides following benefits. We know that it will be free from contamination, and it provides protection and information. Like informations like graphics, labels, all can be done in the outer packaging. Then utility of use of convenience. It is use of convenience. It is convenient to storage also. Next, the process to preserve food against spoilage, contamination, and extend the shelf life. It also included that packaging materials. It mostly in the form of metal like tin. Then next, in form of glass, we know that in glass bottles. Then paper, we know paper boat like juice bottles. Next, also in plastics. Then PET bottles, it is plastics. Then wood crates and wood cotton or jute materials. What is food packaging? Actually, food packaging is done by two ways: vacuum packaged and vacuum packaging. Vacuum packaged is controlled or modified atmospheric packaging, that is providing a modified temperature and pressure inside the package. Vacuum packaging is a method of packaging that removes the air from the package prior to sealing. In some of the lace or snacks packaging, there will be a atmosphere inside it. So in vacuum packaging, we will in lace and all, we will pump the vacuum inside so that the atmospheric outside air will not enter into the package. The intent is usually to remove the oxygen, yeah, to remove the oxygen from the packaging from the container, to extend the shelf life of the food with the flexible package forms, to reduce the volume of content and packager or aseptically packaged. Manufacturers must be adhered to FDA regulation regarding both methods and material of packaging. The packaging material also has to get FDA regulation and rights. Next, types of packaging. There are three types of packaging: primary packaging, secondary packaging, and tertiary packaging. First, coming to the primary. Primary is in which is in contact with the food. So, in a container is a bottle, can, drink box, or so forth contains food. Direct food contact surface. As this is a food contact surface, it has to get FDA regulation certificate. Coming to the secondary is additional protection which is covered upon the primary packaging, like we are keeping the lace packet or juice bottles in the carton box to carry or for storage. This is secondary packaging. Next, tertiary packaging is impact of falling on individual food containers. For traveling to distant areas, we will include tertiary packaging. Next, coming to the purpose of food packaging. What is the purpose means? First one is contamination, then spoilage. Next, it is a barrier from damaging of the food, and it also provides adequate storage, convey information, and also tampering by tamper evident labels. It is a label. Next one is modified atmospheric packaging. Modified atmospheric packaging is one of the method of packaging technique, because in this modified atmosphere, as the name say, that is it has the modified temperature. It has a reduction in O2 content and also increase in CO2 concentration, but in some cases changing the level of carbon monoxide, ethylene, ethanol, or other compound in the atmosphere can also be contribute to shelf life extension. The course of atmosphere modification determined in three interaction processes. First one is respiration of commodity. How much temperature or pressure inside the food material, and gas diffusion through the commodity, is there is a evolution of air inside it. Next, third one is gas permeation through the film, whether there is any outside air permeation into the film. These are the three interaction processes. Next, strict temperature control is maintained inside the packaging. This is modified atmospheric packaging technique. Second one is control atmospheric packaging. In control atmospheric packaging, it is more like large control atmosphere storage facility where produce is stored, essentially unpacked in bulk, except CAP is used for storage or transport smaller quantity of produce. That is, a smaller quantity of food materials which is packed in the large atmospheric packaging to maintain the CO2 O2 level close to minimum level required for maintenance of plant tissues. It is mostly used in production of living tissues, plant tissues. The temperature may be 1 degree Celsius to 2 degree Celsius. Preset level 0.5 percentage to 1.1 percentage CO2 and 2 percentage to 3 percentage CO2. Next one is active packaging. This is active packaging is provide a solution by adding material that absorb or release a specific compound in the gas phase. There will be a adding material inside the packaging to observe the gas phase. The compound that are observed are carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor, ethylene or volatiles that influence the taste or aroma. Thank you.